If as part of your business you mill, process or apply some kind of value added operation to particular products, this can be adopted within Merchanter either through generating mill orders, which will be covered in separate videos, or as we're going to do here, actually embedding the machining instructions within a sales order. So here I have a product that a customer wants to buy, and let's assume we don't have enough 2.4 meter lengths. So what we can do is we can firstly click on the right hand menu and say that we wish to add a mill line. This pops up and gives us firstly the products that we have previously machined this product from, or you can go and do a full search to actually take it from any other item at all. We're going to take it from from the same product, but obviously for different lengths. Once that's added in, we can then select what pieces we're going to pick it from. In this particular case, I'm going to take the 5 4.2s that we know we need, and I'm also going to take 7 6 meter lengths as well, slightly over picking what we require, but you'll see why as we progress. Once that has gone in, it's come in at a cost for the product and therefore has generated how much cost of material we're actually using. You'll notice because we overpicked, we're also getting a 28.5% loss on measure in terms of the quantity of timber we're using for the finished product that we're actually going to make. We can click here and decide to add a process. You have a list of pre-built processes that each carry a different formula to calculate how they're going to work. In this case, we're going to do a crosscut, and you can add as many processes as you would like to the different operations. What this is doing is generating £18.48 of processing cost. That may be built up by the number of pieces, the volume, the surface area, a fixed cost, a combination of those things to actually calculate what it is. So the cost of the material plus the cost of the processing is coming to £302, which is now in there and fixed. Obviously we can see that's making us a negative margin as we stand at the moment, but that's because we've overpicked the timber. So if we now come to the sales line and say we wish to add a return line, we can return some usable timber back to stock. So I can come in here, I can replace the 18 meters that was calculated with what we've actually taken. So let's say we had 3 3.6s and 2 3 meter lengths. And so that comes to 16.8 meters. We've got a 1.9% loss on measure. We're returning the timber back, which is reducing the cost by £75.74. Therefore, within this one process, we are accounting for both managing the stock and managing the cost of doing the processing on this particular item. We can see sensibly that we're making 24.41% margin. If we wanted to achieve 30% margin, we've now got a more accurate price to be able to quote the customer to be able to achieve the margin that the business wants. Again, with what we're taking from stock to do it, what processes we're applying, and what usable product we're getting out at the end.